This is a presentation about the 3D liberal arts building and its incorporation into the Aggie map. There are 4 people on the team: Ben Librand, the team leader, Jacob Blankenship, Blaine Stevens, and Samuel West. Our goal is to have a web map that can be integrated into the already existing Aggie map. In this application, we'll be able to allow a user to select a building on the map, and then once they select the building, they will be able to search for a room, and the most efficient routes from each entrance will be highlighted. This project is important because it is different from other technologies that are on the market currently. By allowing the user to search through a traditional map, such as the Aggie map, and selecting the building of their choice, they will be shown the 3D model of the building. And this will allow them to gain a better understanding on where the room is inside of the building, and will be able to search for a room number, and an efficient route to that room will be highlighted. The design of the project will incorporate 2 screens. The first screen will be the already existing Aggie map, and the second screen will be the 3D model of the building. And the basic steps the user will follow will be opening up the Aggie map, using the dialog box and typing in the building name, and then once the building is highlighted, they'll be able to click on the building. The screen will transition to the 3D model. The user will be able to type in their desired room number, and then efficient paths will be shown on the screen. Some of the third-party libraries that will be needed will be the following: Esri, ArcGIS, JavaScript, and ArcGIS Online. We will be using 3 different kinds of code. The CSS will be used for the design of the web page, making sure that it is visually appealing to the user. The HTML will provide the structure of the website, and the JavaScript will perform the basic programming tasks that will operate in the background of the website, basically conducting all of the work. The data that we will need for this project will come from 2 different people, Dr. Goldberg and Jinwoo Park, both being in the Department of Geography. Since this is a continuation of a previous project conducted last semester, the 3D model and the network analysis will come from Jinwoo, and the information on the Aggie map will come from Dr. Goldberg, and we will be incorporating the 2 to form a seamless web map. The distribution of work will be divided amongst the 4 different team members. Ben will be in charge of gathering all the data and developing the server. Developing the server will provide a baseline for the rest of the project to operate off of, and will give us an idea of the upcoming workload. Jacob will be the screen developer, making sure that the screen will transition from the Aggie map to the 3D model seamlessly. Blaine will be in charge of the navigation, and Sam will be in charge of the software engineering and ensuring the JavaScript is working correctly. Some of our planned dates for completion are as follows. We are basically giving ourselves 2-week intervals in order to complete everything, so that we can make sure that we're not being overtasked or overwhelmed, and allowing us to debug as the project comes together. At the end of each 2-week deadline, we will be conducting testing to ensure that we can debug properly, and making sure that we are fixing issues along the way, and not trying to overwhelm ourselves at the end of the project by debugging something that went wrong at the very beginning of the project. After the completion of each objective, the developer and the team leader will test the product to ensure that there is effective quality control throughout the project. Thank you for watching this presentation about incorporating the 3D model of the liberal arts building to the Aggie map. We are starting out small with 1 building, and our hopes is to have all of campus incorporated into the Aggie map, to where people will be able to select any building and be able to find efficient routes to their rooms. Thank you.